Sheikh, I was asking that sometimes, like if I get sick or something and I eat any like sweet food or anything like that, but it just like a feeling of cough comes, but I can easily hold it. Like I'm thinking if anything like even signals harm or a bit of harm, is that like prohibited even if it gets a bit feeling of cough? But I don't cough. So anything which any food which brings any harm or anything like that, is that all prohibited?
This is not harmful, akhi, to eat something that would give you a sort of an allergy where you cough or you sneeze. This is still permissible. It's not, you're not going to die out of coughing. So there's nothing wrong in doing so if it's okay for you and something that you want to eat.